position, wanna hit it from the back. Pretty long legs and you know that ass fat. That you too big, had to get some
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video on my channel. Before we get into today's video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button right there. Let's make it to 300 subscribers. We're nearly there, so please do help your girl out. So anyways, let's just get into today's video. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm just gonna do something a little different. We're just gonna sit down and we're gonna talk about this hair that I have on. A few people asked me about this hair, so instead of individually replying to them and telling them about this hair, I just thought, why not do a video so that I can help other people that are trying to look this cute but on a budget, because this hair. So anyways, I've just written down the details on my phone. So this hair is from a company on Aliexpress called Freedom Hair, and I got this hair in, it's supposed to be 26 inches. Let me show you that. So that's the length of the hair. It's the Yaki, is that how you pronounce it? Yaki. It's the Yaki straight long, and this hair this hair is heat resistant, so you can curl this, you can curl it, and you can straighten it, but I haven't done any of that yet, so I'm not sure how it works. I don't know if it burns or if it's good enough. So because it's straight enough for me, when you just brush it, it's good to go. Because this hair is also glueless, so you can just put it on, like you can just chuck it on, brush it, and get out of the house. You don't even have to glue it down. But right now I did glue it down, and it actually did not come like this. I kind of tried to pluck it, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not good at doing hair. I'm learning. So but this hair was so hard to pluck because it's synthetic, so yeah. Anyways, this hair did come with baby hairs, but I did cut them out because they would not lay down. I'm telling you, like I don't know, maybe it's just the gel that I have, but they were not laying down. I was trying to slick them, but they were just standing up. I don't know what was happening. I actually did I did record a video when I first got it, and basically it has like what it came with, what it looked like. So I'm gonna just put the video in so you guys can see what it looked like when I first got it, before I did anything to it. So I'm gonna put it in. So the hair just comes in like a sleeve. It didn't come in any box, and then inside is just in another bag. So here's the hair. Then there was like a hairnet just to protect the hair, and really I was so impressed with this hair. Look at how flowy it is. I'm just running my fingers through it, and it feels so nice, like it was so soft. So it has baby hairs right there, and then there's the lace, and this hair had 3 combs. There's 2 on the side and then 1 at the back. And then it also has an adjustable strap, just like when you're not gluing it down, you can just put it on and then you can adjust it to fit your head. So yeah, the hair it's long, I guess, but I thought like 26 inches would be super long, but it doesn't seem that long to me. But yeah, so I'm just showing you guys what it looked like at the front. So as you can see, I was super impressed with this hair. It was just so soft, and you could just run your fingers right through it, and it was very flowy. So inside the bag they gave me some really cute gifts. Like there's these really cute eyelashes, and then it comes with the wig cap, but I don't really use it. But that's it. This hair was $31. Like, how? I feel like this is the best synthetic hair I have ever bought, and this is probably my second synthetic hair that I've ever bought, because my first one was like when I first started, like I didn't know what you do with wigs. Like I didn't used to wear wigs. So my first one was synthetic, and it was those really bad synthetic, those ones that have the fake scalp and it's like white and it's made out of plastic, so you can't even do anything with it. And when you try to like put foundation on it, it just does not work. So that was one of my first wigs that I got. It was so bad, but I still wore it. I don't know, like, why did I not find this then? Because so this hair, I got it for 31 Australian dollars, but it was actually 37, but I had a discount. Basically on Aliexpress, if you are a gold member, so they always give you discount codes for like every time you buy something, you can put it in. So I did, and it was also on sale for the half year sale. So the color that I got, because this hair comes in so many colors, there's like, it's ombre, but this, I got the ombre in the color TT 1B/30. That's the color that I got. But there's also like a lighter blonde, there's a blonde, and then there's like a red, and there's a plain black. I'm gonna put a video right here, just right here, so I can show you guys the colors that are available. And then again, so anyways, let's just talk about the quality of this hair. So this hair, it honestly does not feel like synthetic hair, but if you have a lot of human hair, you are gonna definitely know the difference. But it is smooth. It's not like those other synthetic hairs that just feel like plastic, like literally they're like strings. This is a good synthetic hair, honestly. So the quality is quite good for the price, and this hair does tangle a little bit, especially at the back, because it's long, so you have to keep brushing it up. But if you have this brush, if you have a brush like this, that is nothing, because this brush, there's nothing that it cannot detangle from your hair, from, you know, our 4C hair. This brush is the best. So I usually just brush it through it, and it does an amazing job. It gets rid of all the tangles. So yeah, but every hair tangles. Human hair, natural hair, hair is supposed to tangle, so it's really not a big deal for me. And it also does shed, but just a little bit. But when you first get it, it might shed just a little bit, like when you brush it, and it just sheds from here and there, like when you brush it, just some strings. So basically, this hair, when I first got it, it did not have any smell, because usually when you buy things from Aliexpress, there's always like a weird smell, especially hair. Even sometimes when you get human hair and you spend so much money on it, and it still smells like it always has some sort of smell. But this one did not. Like, I was so shocked, because I was like, what? Because it's always a thing. I was like, because this is cheap, this is gonna be like, there must be something wrong with it, it might smell or something, but it did not. So anyway, this hair, like the parting, look at the parting, y'all. The parting is so long, and this is a free part, so basically you can part it anywhere. Do you see this? You can part it anywhere. You can do a middle part like I have done, a side part, and you can even wear this up. So you can do like a little bun here, you can put it up in a bun, do whatever you want. This hair is literally so amazing, I'm telling you. I feel like, you know, buying synthetic wigs is so good, like if you are on a budget, because they're not as expensive as human hair, and you can still look cute. Like if you want to buy synthetic hair, always buy the lace front ones, because those ones are like more, like they don't look that much like synthetic hair. From afar you can't really tell this is synthetic hair until you come closer or until you touch it. But I feel like it's so, like, synthetic hair just give you, like, it's just another way to try like new hair if you're not sure and you don't want to spend, you know, so much money getting that hair that you wanted because you're not sure if it's gonna look good on you. You can just look up some lace front synthetic hair. You can just look them up and find the color you're trying to find and try it first, and you might, you know, and after that you can decide if you like that color on you or you like that style on you. Because with this lace front, because how affordable it is, I'm gonna be switching my hair from red, blue, pink, any color, you know. It's just another way to try new hairstyles basically. Anyway guys, that's a wrap. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment in the comment sections, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get your girl to 300 subscribers. If you guys want to see more hair videos, make sure to comment in the comment sections and let me know down below. Bye, see you guys in my next video.